Hello everyone, my name is Ankit and today I am going to tell you about the next judgment day which did by God, okay, after chosen son of man's, okay. I am going to tell you about the how God does the judgment, okay, by Lord Shiva's family. But this time I'm going to tell you about the Son of Man's, okay, not family of Shiva. Okay. In my last video, I have told you about the how did Lord Shiva family judgment. How used to Lord Shiva's family day of judgment for God. Okay. So get ready and I'm going to tell you about the what happened after Mahabharata war. Okay. When Gandhari cursed the Lord Sri Krishna, after that what God took the action to save mankind and how did he judgment in Asia and by whom. Okay, so listen to the carefully. I will tell you in the details, okay, about the judgment work. When Lord Krishna came, okay, on the earth 5925 years ago, and he he got cursed by Gandhari. After that, God was angry on the Gandhari. Okay, Lord Krishna was the Kartikeya. Okay, in the name of the Lord Krishna on the earth that time. So when Gandhari cursed the Kartikeya, okay, Kartikeya means Lord Krishna. When God, when then his mother Mahakali got angry on Gandhari and his sons. Okay, so after that, God chose the Muhammad Nabi. Listen to the carefully. God chose the Muhammad Nabi. Okay, in Saudi Arabia, and God commanded him and told 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 him that killed cursed people. When Lord Krishna got cursed by Gandhari, after that Lord Shiva and his wife Mahakali got angry on Gandhari's family. Okay, on Gandhari also. After that, God chose the Muhammad Nabi in Saudi Arabia and command him that killed demons. Okay, killed the demons. So listen to the carefully. When God chose the Muhammad Nabi, he commands him as he commanded to the Arjun. Okay, they both say they are killing demons. Okay, not human. They are killing the demons, not human. Okay, because killing to human, killing to human universe not allowed. Okay, only demons can kill. Sorry, my English is very weak. I don't know how to explain. because my English speaking is very weak. So I'm I'm going to tell you about the work of Muhammad Nabi. Muhammad Nabi's work was only for Saudi Arabia. Muhammad Nabi doing the work, okay, only in Saudi Arabia, not it in your notebook, okay. Muhammad Nabi was doing the work only for his Saudi Arabia, not for India, not for Afghanistan, not for other places, okay. So don't make fool by anyone, okay. Don't make fool by Gandhari's sons and Gandhari's people, okay, because they used Quran to their profit, okay. They used the Quran and they don't know the Quran. What is the Quran? They don't know the about Holy Quran, okay. So not it in your notebook. Muhammad Nabi was doing the judgment work only for saving the Saudi Arabia mankind from Gandhari's people, okay, because Gandhari's people was the demons, okay, who cursed son of God, okay. Lord Krishna was son of God, okay. Shiva is God, okay. Shiva is God and Kartikeya is son of God. Kartikeya came as a Lord Krishna in Dwapar Yuga and he cursed by Gandhari, okay. So that's why God did judgment by Muhammad Nabi in Saudi Arabia with Gandhari's people, okay. After that, after Muhammad Nabi, God chose again, okay, but they didn't do the work of judgment, okay. They did marry, okay. They did marry, eating, sleeping, and went away to other countries to settle, okay. I am going to tell you about the Sikh people, okay. After the Muhammad Nabi God chose to judgment work Sikh peoples, okay. Guru Nanak Dev, okay, okay. God chose the for judgment Sikh people, but they didn't do the judgment work in Asia well, okay. You can see them and you can see them and you can see their work, what they did, okay. And so many of the people didn't do the good judgment work for the God, because many of the people cheat also God, okay. They eating, marrying and went away to other countries, okay. When God commands Guru Nanak Dev, okay, after Muhammad Nabi, listen to carefully. Guru Nanak Dev was chosen by the God, okay, to judgment, okay. But after death Guru Nanak Dev, Sikh community didn't do the judgment work, good judgment work. They only eating, sleeping, singing and went away to other countries and settled to live good life. You can see, you can see any everyone. Okay, they blame Arjun's. Okay, they blame Arjun's bloodline. They blame Karna, Angraj Karna's bloodline. They blames India. They blames India, but they didn't do the judgment work for the God. Only they took the money of God and marrying with woman of the India. Okay, and went away to the other country to living the a good life. Okay, so I'm laughing the work of Sikh community uh, because it's funny about them. I used to laugh in my childhood also when I talked about them. If you saw the sign of uh, Sikh community, okay, ik omkar. This signs replaced by Om. Okay, so Shiva chose the Guru Nanak Dev for good judgment, but Guru Nanak Dev died, and after that Sikh community didn't do the work for judgment. Okay, they they run, they went away. They ran from India. Okay, to living good life from uh, from work of God. Okay, they didn't do the work, and after that God chose the again a Sant Kabir. Sant Kabir, God chose to judgment day, but he also blamed only India. Okay, he blamed oh, he blamed Arjun's Arjun's bloodline, and he blames uh, on us. He blames on us only, but not blame on Gandhari's sons like Pakistan, Afghanistan, and okay, he only blames uh, Indian people. Okay, so Sant Kabir also did not do the judgment work for God. Okay, तो अब मैं जैसे कि थोड़ा हिंदी में बोल दूँ, मोहम्मद नबी ने तो चलो जो गंधारी के जो लोग थे जिन्होंने श्री कृष्ण को श्राप दिया था, उनको मोहम्मद नबी ने टपका दिया था. ठीक है, उनको तो मोहम्मद नबी ने टपका दिया सऊदी अरब में. लेकिन जब बात आई, जब भगवान शिव ने, ठीक है, गुरु नानक देव और संत कबीर को चुना, ठीक है, तो संत कबीर और गुरु नानक देव के लोगों ने जजमेंट नहीं किया. ठीक है, यानी जो पिशाच थे, अफगानिस्तानी पिशाच हो गए और पाकिस्तानी पिशाच हो गए, यानी दुर्योधन के लोग, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया. उल्टा ही अर्जुन को दोष लगा रहे हैं, उल्टा ही हमें दोष लगा रहे हैं. अरे तुम मूर्ति पूजा को, तुम ये हो, तुम वो हो. तो करण पे भी दोष लगाए. तो इनकी जो स्टोरी जब मैं सुनता था, समझता, तो मेरे को हंसी भी आती थी. इनको काम क्या सौंपा गया था और ये कर रहे हैं. संत कबीर बस ज्ञान दिए जा रहे हैं, जबकि उन्हें जजमेंट वर्क के लिए चुना गया था. एक ऐसी सेना बनाए ताकि जजमेंट करे, लेकिन वो ज्ञान दिए जा रहे हैं. और गुरु नानक देव के जो विश्वासी थे, वो भी, उन्होंने भी जजमेंट ठीक से नहीं किया. ठीक है, उल्टा अर्जुन को ही ब्लेम किया, उल्टा. अगर इनकी कहानी देखोगे तो अभी जितने भी सिंगर्स हैं, क्या कहते हैं, तो ये बात थी. This was the all the matter. Okay, so who will do the judgment now? Who will do the judgment? इंसानों के बीच में रहने वाले पिशाचों को चुन चुन कर मारना ही जजमेंट डे कहलाता है। मोहम्मद नबी ने अपने सऊदी अरबिया से ठीक है पिशाचों को मारा था। ठीक है, तो गुरु नानक देव को भी यही काम सौंपा गया था, लेकिन उन्होंने ये काम नहीं करवाया, पिशाचों को नहीं मरवाया, बल्कि उल्टा अर्जुन के ब्लड लाइन को और कर्ण की ब्लड लाइन को ही दोष लगा के चले गए और शादियाँ करी उन्होंने, बस शादियाँ करी, खाया पिया और अलग देशों में सेटल हो गए। और उसके बाद अब ये जो है कि संत कबीर इस बंदे को भी चुना गया था भगवान शिव के ही द्वारा कि जजमेंट करे, लेकिन वो आए ज्ञानी, वो तो निकले बहुत बड़े ज्ञानी, वो सिर्फ ज्ञान देते थे, तो उन्होंने भी जजमेंट नहीं किया। जो पिशाच थे, पिशाचों को उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया, ज्ञान दिया और चले गए। और उनका जो अभी जो चल रहा है वो है संत रामपाल। ये भी क्या कहते हैं, ज्ञान देते हैं, जजमेंट इनसे भी नहीं है। जजमेंट डे असल में कोई जो करता था संत कबीर के बाद जो करता है जजमेंट डे, क्योंकि जब गुरु नानक देव और संत कबीर को चुना ईश्वर ने, भगवान शिव ने, तो उसके बाद से जजमेंट डे के लिए जो चुने गए हैं उनका नाम मैं बता रहा हूँ। ठीक है, जो जजमेंट डे करते आ रहे हैं वो थे क्रांतिकारी, यानी हम। ध्यान से सुनो, शिव सेना वाले सुने और सब सुने, तो वो थे क्रांतिकारी। जजमेंट डे करते आए हैं क्रांतिकारी। ठीक है, तो चुने हुए ये होते हैं। अभी हम चल रहे हैं क्रांतिकारी, तो जजमेंट डे हम करते हैं। तो अब so if I tell you in details, when Sikh community and Kabir Sikh community deceived the Lord Shiva and they didn't do the judgment work, good work for God, after that God chose the for good to good judgment, okay, like Rani Lakshmibai, okay, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and Adolf Hitler, and after that Bal Keshav Thakre, okay, they were doing the judgment for God, okay, good judgment work for the God, okay, to killing demons, okay, and after that my father Rampal were also doing the judgment work in Delhi, okay, listen to the carefully. We are also chosen by Lord Shiva to do judgment work in Delhi, okay, so we are also chosen. And I have told you the truth. What is the truth? Gandhari cursed the Son of God, okay, who was the mother of demons. God is angry on Gandhari's sons and daughters, okay, listen to the carefully, because they cursed the Kartikeya, the son of Mahakali, okay, the son of Mahakali and Lord Shiva. That's why this is happening in India, and step by step God chose the Son of Man to do good judgment work in Asia. That's why, okay, so that's why many people are running from India, because when Bal Keshav Thackeray was chosen to do judgment work by Lord Shiva, after that Sikh community ran from India, and Kabir's community also preparing for themselves to living India by Sant Rampal. So that's why, and many of the people deceived Lord Shiva. They didn't do the judgment work for Lord Shiva. They only eating, sleeping, and took the money of the god. Okay, they took the money of the god, and they deceived God. They didn't do the work for Lord Shiva. Okay, you should write. So why I keep living alone from my childhood? Why? You will can't believe, because when I was 77 years old, sorry, I thought about Adolf Hitler, which experiment he did. Okay, which experiment he did in in his country for to do judgment for Lord Shiva. Okay, I am also trying to do that experiment from my childhood, because I want to do judgment work for the Lord Shiva, because Gandhari cursed the my Lord, okay, my Lord Shiva's sons, okay, and I don't like also to Duryodhan's dispositions and Gandhari's dispositions, okay. The war is for justice, okay, because many of the our lords are cursed by Gandhari, okay, and many of the are cursed. Because of the curse, we are living in a bad situation, okay. We are in bad situation because we are cursed by Gandhari. And after Mahabharata war, Duryodhan's bloodline also attacked on Karna's bloodline also, okay. Duryodhan attacked on us also after Mahabharata war. I am the bloodline of Karna, so we are also doing fight, okay, with Duryodhan. My father used to do fight with bloodline of Gandhari also, but he could not successful with them. So now let's see what will happen. And I have told you about the the work of judgment, how God does the work of judgment. God does judgment work by Son of Man after Lord Shiva's family. He did judgment work in Saudi Arabia by Muhammad Nabi. After that, he chose the Guru Nanak Dev, but they didn't do the judgment work. Okay, and after that he chose the Sant Kabir